Hi guys, what's up? Welcome to my channel. So for today's video, I am going to be doing a tutorial, and the tutorial is going to be using the Natasha Denona Sunset palette. Now the reason I'm doing this tutorial is one, because it was requested, and two, Natasha Denona for her spring collection came out with a little mini sunset palette, and honestly, I don't like it at all. So it just reminded me of the full size, so I figured I'd do a tutorial using it, and it was supposed to be wearable, and then it turned into this. Regardless, I think it's a really beautiful look, so if you would like to learn how I did this look, then just keep watching. Alright, so I'm starting off by prepping my eyes as I normally do, nothing new here. And here is the beauty, the Natasha Denona Sunset. So I'm taking this pale pink and the white, and I'm kind of mixing those to create an even and smooth base. And now we're going in with the yellow, and I am going to use that as my transition color for the look. Next, we're going in with this brighter orange color, and then I am going to put that right over the yellow, leaving a little bit of the yellow to peek through. Now we're taking this burnt terracotta orange color, and we're going to start deepening up that crease with a smaller brush. Next, we're going to take concealer and a small brush, and we are going to start making that cut crease. This cut crease isn't crazy defined or anything, so don't worry about it being too sharp. Going in with that matte yellow again, we are going to just press that right onto the concealer. Make sure you're using pressing motions to really sink that into the concealer. And now I'm going in with a pencil brush to kind of get a little more closer to the edge. I didn't have all my brushes, so I had to make do with what I had. And I'm mixing these two orange colors on a small blending brush. This is the Morphe M507, and we are going to define the crease just a little bit more. Now I'm taking the more burgundy terracotta color, and I'm blending that into the outer corner of my eyelid. And now we're taking the red, and we are going to add some red into this look. Now I'm taking the Maybelline line Stiletto, and I am going to create a big giant wing. I was out of camera for most of this, but yeah, it wasn't my best eyeliner day. I'm warning you ahead of time. And I'm always out of camera when I do this, but I take a wipe and I clean up the area. Alright, moving to the face. This is the Too Faced Hangover Primer, and I'm just priming my face. And next I'm using the Maybelline Superstay foundation. It's really full coverage. I've been liking it. It's a tad on the light side for me, but it's okay. It works out, I promise. I'm of course using my Maybelline FitMe concealer to conceal my under eyes. My Mercier translucent powder to set my under eyes, and then I'm just going to use that to set the rest of my face as well. Next I'm grabbing my Benefit Cheek Parade, and I'm taking Hoola Lite, and I'm using that as my bronzer. By the way, I'm going to attach a review to the new Benefit Cheek palette. You guys should check it out. And here is the Hoola bronzer, and I'm using the brush that it comes with to further define my cheekbones. It's going in the center of my face as well. Now I'm taking California blush, and that's what I'm going to use to add some color to my face. And I'm using the Milani Rose Glow Highlighting Palette. I'm taking that middle gold, and I'm going to highlight wherever I highlight. Love this palette. And I'm spraying my face with my Mario Badescu spray. And we're going back to the palette, and we're taking the red eyeshadow, and that's what I'm going to use to line my lower lash line. And then taking a small brush, I'm taking this medium reddish brown color to get a little closer to the lash line. And I'm using my usual mascaras to do the thing you do with mascara. Alright, and I'm taking this set of top and bottom lashes from Lilly by that lady. I can't pronounce her name, but I'm just going to apply the upper and lower lashes. And I don't really apply bottom lashes that often. I'm still getting used to them, so the application isn't the best. But this is the Kylie liquid lipstick in the shade Ginger and the Moonchild gloss from the Kathleen Lights and Colourpop's collaboration, and we're done. Oh yeah, and while you're here, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel and check out my other videos. Have a great day, guys. Bye.